Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your battery dropping fast while using the Claude app for long conversations or voice mode? Here's how to slow it down. First, go to your settings, then go to display and brightness in the settings. Tap on it and for your screen's brightness, since brightness is one of the biggest battery drains during any extended app use. Next, in the settings, go back, go to general, then go to background app refresh and turn it off for apps you're not using. Since background apps compete for the same battery resources while you're actively using a voice mode, specifically keep in mind live audio processing noticeably more battery than text chat, so switching back to the text for longer sessions will extend your battery life. Finally, in the settings, go to battery and then go to battery health and charging and see if your battery capacity has degraded, since older batteries drain faster under any sustained use. So all you've got to do is lower brightness, turn off background app refresh, close background apps and check battery health. Claude drains less and that's it. Subscribe.